Well, the case of a dog named Meatball is one that has sparked sadness and anger. The English Mastiff was abused and tortured, allegedly by his owner. And today that man was in court to determine if there's enough evidence against him to move ahead with a trial. 7 Action News reporter Kimberly Craig was in court this morning. And Kim, we understand the defense is gearing up to claim that Meatball attacked his owner. Is that right?
Yes, Joanne, that seems to be the direction of John Sporer's defense, and he is going to need a good one to combat that video evidence.
I mean, him grabbing him by the choker with one hand and hitting him with his right hand, he was using both hands in the act.
Timothy England is John Sporer's next-door neighbor. He was the first one on the stand today, and the one who videotaped Sporer back in February, allegedly abusing his dog Meatball.
While he had him on the ground, he opened his, that's what I call the hammer fist, balled fist, and hit him at least 3 times.
Sporer is charged with felony torture of an animal, and at least for now, his dog Meatball has been taken away. Animal advocates that sat in court today for Sporer's preliminary examination hope he's never allowed to own another animal again. And as the videos were played, their shock and sadness at what was happening to the dog that day was visible. A veterinarian and veterinarian radiologist testified to Meatball's injuries that include trauma to his head and 2 rib fractures.
In regards to fractures, was this a complete break?
Yes. The main thing is he had some injuries on his head, more like raised injuries, like what we would call edema or a welts on his head. It's kind of like a recent injury, we would call like a edematous soft tissue injury to the head. When you pressed on it, he would cry.
Shame on you, go to hell. Shame on you, go to hell. Shame on you.
And the judge did find sufficient evidence to bound Sporer over for trial. Now, Sporer claims that Meatball actually attacked him, but wait until 5 o'clock when you hear what some of the vet staff has to say about the dog's disposition. We'll have that part of our story coming up at 5 o'clock. For now, reporting live in Eastpointe, Kimberly Craig, 7 Action News. Back to you.
Kim, thank you very much.